I am Sukumar Shah, Assistant Teacher, Arayajar Pilot Model Government High School, Class 8, Subject English. Now I am discussing about sentence and its kinds. Sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete sense. Kinds of sentence. Sentence is divided 5 kinds according to the meaning, such as assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory. Assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? A sentence that makes a statement is called assertive sentence. Structure: subject plus verb plus object or extension. Example: Rohim plays football. Here Rohim subject plus verb, football object. Kinds of assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is 2 kinds, such as affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Affirmative sentence. A sentence which generally affirms something is called a affirmative sentence. Structure: subject plus verb plus object or extension. Example: we walk every morning. Here we subject, walk verb, every morning extension. Negative sentence. A sentence which denies something is called negative sentence. Structure: subject plus auxiliary verb plus no or not or never plus principal verb plus object or extension. Example: he is not reading a book. Here his subject is auxiliary verb, reading principal verb, a book object. Interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence. Structure: auxiliary verb plus subject plus principal verb plus object plus note of interrogation. Example: does he play football? Is he reading a book? Where are you going? Imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses order, advice, request, forbid, etc. is called imperative sentence. Structure: 1 number, subjective silent plus principal verb plus object or extension. 2 number, let plus objective form of first person or third person plus principal verb plus object or extension. 3 number, please or kindly plus principal verb plus object or extension. 4 number, do not plus principal verb plus object or extension. Example: do the sum. It indicates order. Here do principal verb, the sum object. Let me do the sum. Here me indirect object, do principal verb, the sum object. Please give me a glass of water. It indicates request. Here give principal verb, me indirect object, a glass of water direct object. Do not run in the sun. It indicates forbid. Here run principal verb, in the sun extension. What is optative sentence? A sentence that expresses a wish or prayer is called optative sentence. Structure: may plus subject plus verb plus extension. Example: may you be happy. It indicates prayer. Here you subject, me verb, happy extension. May you pass the examination. It indicates wish. Here you subject, pass, present form of verb, the examination object. What is exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses a strong feeling or emotion is called exclamatory sentence. Structure: what or how plus extension plus subject plus verb plus note of exclamation. Example: how charming the scenery is. Here charming extension, the scenery subject is verb. What a beautiful flower the rose is. Here a beautiful flower extension, the rose subject is verb. Dear students, hope you are well during the days of coronavirus. However, you will follow the rules of health. Okay, today is no more.